Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Recently I purchased 2 more Uberchic Beauty stamping plates from one of the UK stockists, which is Rainbow Connections. I purchased these because I have a requested video to film, and these 2 plates are going to be brilliant for that mani. Each plate will however get its own swatch review video. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Uberchic Beauty stamping plate Vacation Mode. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my usual stamper, and I do also have my new scraper, and I will explain why later on. I also have 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. For the first swatch I'll be using a multicoloured nail tip along with a black polish. Now this polish isn't actually a stamping polish. This is a 1-coater black nail polish, which can also be used as a stamping polish. I was having terrible trouble with my normal black stamping polish, so I tried this one instead. Once I've stamped, it's still not a brilliant swatch. It is way better than what it was. Not quite sure what was really going on. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with 2 different blue stamping polishes, a light blue and a dark blue. The light blue will be for the inside of the shark's fin, which I will stamp first, and then once that's on the nail tip I'll be using the darker blue stamping polish for the layer which goes over the top. A layered image like this will be great for a sea themed mani. This type of layering is very easy to do. Now again, the swatch has some areas which I'm not happy with, like by the fin, but otherwise it's a good image. For the next swatch I'll be using a light pink coloured nail tip along with a berry purple stamping polish. This has become one of my favourite purple stamping polishes to use over different shades of pinks and purples. I don't think I've ever made a mani using a bikini before, but you can very easily team them with the flip-flops on this plate as well to create a beach theme mani. Another nice image, and it will work in so many different colour combinations as well. For the next swatch I'll be using a multicoloured nail tip along with a burgundy stamping polish. Now the reason I went with this plate was because I wanted an image like this for the requested mani. This image is small, so it would fit onto the nail tip really well, and I went with the burgundy because I thought it would work really well, and it does. And I absolutely love this swatch. From the background to the image, it's stunning. This nail tip makes me want to go and sit on a beach with a cocktail in my hand. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a dark shimmery brown stamping polish. Now this isn't a colour combo that I would usually do, but when I was doing the photo swatches I did this colour combination a few times and I really liked how it looked, so I thought I would show this in the video section. It would also work well with the layered palm tree on this plate as well, and there is still plenty of room to add other stamping or other items as well. For the next swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a red stamping polish. Now with this large image, for the photo swatches I took 2 swatches, one from each side, but I didn't do one from the centre, and again I thought I would show this in the video section. There is so many good images in this design, like the ice lolly, the ball, the sunshine, the flip-flops, the umbrella, the hat, the list goes on. It's a really good summer beach design and would look great in any summer mani. And then here they are all together, so let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Uberchic Beauty stamping plate Vacation Mode. Uberchic Beauty Vacation Mode has 56 images in total, which I've broken down into groups. So there is 17 words in which I've placed on multicoloured backgrounds. Some I've placed at angles, some straight on, and they are just stamped in the black polish. Then there is the 8 normal large designs, but I've taken 2 swatches from the really large image, so there is 9 swatches in this group in total. Then we have the small individual images, and there is 26 in total. Some I've placed more than one image on a pop stick, some are just on their own. It really depends for me the size of the image, and they are just on my normal regular pop sticks. And then we have the 5 layered images, and I've placed them onto white pop sticks, and that's so that I can use lots of different colours. So vacation mode, there is plenty to choose from. Now I want to address the change in my scraper and why my swatches don't look as good as they normally do. I had to change the scraper because for some reason my old scraper was making the swatches look even worse than they already look, and I did try it on other stamping brands as well. I don't know what it is about Uberchic plates and clear jelly stamper stamping polishes, but for me they really don't seem to get along very well. I will say some of the swatches look better than others, and I need to dig out my old brands of stamping polishes to see if any of they can work better with the Uberchic plates. I also want to say that it's been about 5 to 6 weeks or so since I've actually sat down and swatched a stamping plate like this, so it could be that I just need to feel for it again, and with time I will get my groove back. And as you know, I'm super hard on myself for getting good swatches. I'm very picky. I did also try changing things, and when I was doing the swatches for both of the Uberchic plates, I did also try changing the stamper, but that didn't work at all. For me, Uberchic plates seem to be a work in progress, and hopefully over time they will get better. This is only the 3rd plate from Uberchic that I've swatched in about 3 years, so very out of practice with them. I found that each brand of plate likes to be swatched slightly differently to others. I also want to touch again very quickly on the black I used. You can use normal nail polishes like the one I used for stamping, however they really have to be a 1-coater or a metallic for them to work. Your regular normal 3-coat nail polish just won't be enough to get good swatches, and this is why I recommend getting a good brand of stamping polish, because that's what they're designed for, but you can with 1-coaters get away with it. Now I have made a mani like I do normally for my stamping plate swatch reviews, but both of these plates will be in a mani tutorial on my channel very soon. I don't normally buy new products for requested videos, but these 2 plates, there was images that I wanted, and vacation mode has been on my wish list since early this year, so it was going into my collection anyway. But I do need to spend some time with them and see if I can get these swatches to look any better. Now I'm not sure when Uberchic bought vacation mode out, but it's one of them seasonal plates that can be returned year on year. I really like having seasonal plates in my collection, and having 56 images on a plate, there is so many different mani possibilities, it's endless. So for the mani I went with a meadow green gel polish as my base colour, and I've stamped in a leafy green stamping polish. Now I loved the tiki mask in the middle, so I went to Pinterest for some inspiration to see what would work alongside him, and I saw a few manis that had the leaves which are on this plate, and I felt that the colour combo along with the mask and the leaf would work really well together. I've also turned this mani matte. The glossy just didn't look as good as the matte version did, and the tiki masks really fill the nail well. I like how this mani has turned out, and as I said, it will work in a lot of different colour combos as well, like yellows and reds or the multicoloured backgrounds. I'm really pleased with it. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Uberchic Beauty Stamping Plate Vacation Mode. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!